Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Miriam. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So guys, today I want to show you guys how to make this fluffy chocolate dripping pancake. Yes, that's the name. If you want to see how I make this chocolate, keep on watching. Thank you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
For this recipe, we are using all-purpose flour, liquid milk, sugar, vanilla essence, egg, and baking powder. In a soup plate, I'm just going to add all the wet ingredients. I'm adding the egg, the sugar, the milk, the vanilla essence, and the oil. Yes, sugar is among the wet ingredients. I'm just going to add all of them in this bowl, whisk it. I just added little water to the mixture. I'm transferring the mixture to a bigger bowl. In this bigger bowl, I'll be adding the all-purpose flour and baking powder. I'll be adding it in this bigger bowl to mix it because I can't mix it in that smaller one. I'm adding flour. I'm not adding all of that flour. I measured 1 cup. I'm not adding all of it. So you see add baking powder and whisk. In a hot pan, I'll just scoop the batter and place it on the pan. I'm not adding oil to the pan because I already added oil to the mixture. You guys saw when I added oil, so I'm not adding any oil to the pan. You guys, did you see that bubble? Allow the bubble formation to stop before you flip it. If not, you will make a mess. And also remember, I'm cooking this in a very low heat, so put that in mind. Repeat the process till you've exhausted all the batter. Continue to do it till you run out of batter. So here is our pancake. I'm adding toppings. I'm adding hot chocolate on top to make it more tasty and inviting. I also added banana as my topping. You are free to add anything you want. Guys, please, if you find this recipe helpful, if you really enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified any and every time I post a video. Share my videos to your friends and family. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.